So social media challenges have been around for years, and even though there are potential risks to trying some of these challenges, teens do continue to try them.
And we're getting answers for parents on why teens are willingly attempting these dangerous challenges, and if anything can be done to stop the videos from showing up online.
Kids are more likely to take risks that they don't even recognize are risks because there's sort of a lack of reality sometimes on these challenges as to what could happen.
There's been a number of viral social media challenges teens are trying, like the Cinnamon Challenge, where challengers attempt to swallow a spoonful of cinnamon in a minute, or the Tide Pod Challenge, where teens recorded themselves chewing on the laundry detergent pods, or the Blackout Challenge, where participants choke themselves to the point of passing out, which recently led to the death of an Amherst boy. So with all the risks, why are teens still trying them? The chief of pediatrics at Bay State Health, Dr. John O'Reilly, tells Western Mass News the issue stems from the teen brain.
The front of their brain, their prefrontal cortex, which is really the part that should make them look before they leap, is immature.
Another factor is peer pressure.
Now, you're seeing people up on a screen. You don't know if they're telling the truth. You don't even know who they are, but they've suddenly become your friend. They become your peer group.
So what can be done to block the videos or even hold social media networks responsible for allowing the content on their sites? According to Steve Wiseman, a professor of media law at Bentley University, unfortunately, not much.
They are protected legally. So it's the kind of thing where ethically, morally, they should be taking some action, but legally, it would be very difficult to enforce anything against them.
Social media networks are protected under Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act.
Is essentially provides for a protection from liability for all websites for things that are posted by other people.
Media companies could block content if they believe it's dangerous, but Wiseman says it doesn't happen often.
They have the technology to recognize it, and they have the ability to block it. And I think they are being quite irresponsible when they don't exercise that responsibility.
But not all social media challenges are bad, like the viral Ice Bucket Challenge, where participants dumped ice water on themselves to raise money and awareness for ALS.
It worked great and no one got hurt. But the bottom line is the minds of children are not fully developed for quite some time.
Whether it's considered a good or bad challenge, parents should talk to their teens about what's going on online.
Help them, their brain, learn those steps of safety.
And Dr. O'Reilly says if you are having a hard time getting through to your child, you could look for other important people in their lives, like a relative or a coach, someone that may be able to get through to your child. There are also a number of apps that parents can use to monitor and censor what their kids see online.